What's good, everybody? I'm back. I'm at the shop right now. Feel me? I'm about to pick up my car. I just had them look over everything before I start kind of breaking in the transmission properly. So they looked over everything. Everything is good. We about to start breaking in the transmission. Make sure y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna give y'all a walk around of the car. Feel me? We not yet quite finished with the mods. We still haven't installed a turbo kit yet, but everything else is on the car. So we're gonna break in the transmission. More than likely, we will be installing the turbo kit tomorrow when it delivers. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all a walk around on the car so y'all see what's going on. We in the lab. Feel me? We about to get sturdy. We cooking. There's a lot cooking up right now. Black cars is faster. Feel me? Right, Merrick?
Naturally faster.
Black cars is naturally faster.
That's crazy.
Trying to show you.
Gonna fuck them shits up though.
Nah, gray is always the slowest colors.
You gonna see?
You fuck with it?
He's a hater.
Feel me? We here, man. Sturdy. Alright, so I'm about to pick up the car for me. We here at the lab M Powerhouse, as you can see. Black cars is faster. I mean, black on black. Cap. Y'all know this.
I don't know why you say that.
So what you saying, Dre? Are we doing stock motor record?
Yes, we are.
I think I'm gonna do the stock turbo record in G80. Stock motor also.
Nice.
What do you think?
Startup.
Yeah.
I gotta get a tune to get rid of that check engine light. Oh, I gotta install my tune too. So yeah, put an OGS map on it. Oh, I gotta open the bonnet.
Yeah, but you won't say
Transmission. I'm gonna show y'all underneath there on the next videos. If y'all wanna see what's going on, make sure y'all stay tuned. I ain't gonna leak the sauce in this video. Next video, I'm gonna leak the sauce. But yeah, you can't see anything, but there's a lot going on. That's all you gotta know.
Don't catch him in
fuck.
He's just always gonna be a clown. It's like he's not pleased if he's not a clown. Look, nice car, man.
Nah, this thing look good, man.
Yo, you putting the map on right now or not?
Yeah.
Let's do it on video one time.
Alright, yeah.
Doctor, go put the map on.
You already plugged in the activation on that, right?
I got the code.
Alright, give me the code. What you doing for?
Alright, so we put the boot mod stage 2 on the car for now. We're gonna break the transmission in before we start doing anything. We're just gonna get some sound clips and hear the verbal, and I think Merrick gonna play with the anti-lag, but we're gonna see what's up. Here, what's going on? That's that launch control?
Yeah, that shit sound good.
That's that launch control, man.
Yeah, that shit sound good.
That's that launch control, feel me?
Shit is food.
My man's locked in,
Food.
respectfully.
Dial all the way in.
S58 is food. S58 is food.
Today, make sure you go to Instagram. This is probably gonna be tomorrow, but
Yeah.
I'm gonna post a video of me walking into Terra.
You know where we at, man. We at M Powerhouse, man. You need all your BMWs to go fast. Hit them up. But yeah, I think we about to code the transfer case in right now.
Bro, I just
Sturdy.
watched it right now. I'm like, fuck. I really sound
Boy,
crazy.
boy.
Like a real...
Boy.
I wasn't recognize my voice.
Yo, so when pressure reach my back.
Pressure was pipe.
Man, done Jamaican, man.
Where the video at? Bring the video up. Let me see the video.
Yeah,
He just went for a pull in the G80.
Yeah, I mean, I built this shit, but I don't be driving it.
Oh, man.
That shit is funny.
Yes, sir. All right, so I just put the stage 2 E50 map on. I just put some 85 in there. We got the beasts outside. I got my car. We got Stig car outside, feel me, Merrick car. He about to do his logs. I'm about to break my transmission in. Feel me? Stay tuned. I'm gonna take y'all on a journey with me. I'm about to take a long drive. Make sure everything is Gucci before we start turning it up. Porsche life. We in that AIM Porsche. Yeah. Yo! Oh my God! Yo, this shit is fast, nigga! Yo, this shit is fast! Yo, bro, this shit is fast, nigga! Yo, bro. I ain't feel boost like that in a minute.
In a while, right? That's right. I know how it is.
Bow!
Pow, nigga. That nigga said, yo, that's crazy. I know how Dre feels right now.
Yo.
When you're out of your cars for a little bit, bro, and then you feel boost, you're like, damn.
Bro, that shit's hitting. I ain't gonna lie, but that shit have you.
It's punching, though. It feels like I told you, it's raw 850 wheel, bro.
850, man.
850 makes 848, 850, bro.
You feel me?
Solid, dailyable, driving, pump gas. But Matt, you know, obviously all Porsches, they
like
faster
meth.
Porsches, they like Matt. Cobb was the access port that he uses to get tuned on. Straight up, that's it, full bolt-ons. That's pretty, I mean, listen, full bolt-ons with turbos. And
Yeah.
straight up pump gas. Literally, like, pump gas.
Nigga, this shit is punching, nigga.
Punching, bro, right?
Go.
I want to kind of wait for that light to turn green. As crazy as I feel like that's the police. I don't give a fuck though. I ain't even hold you.
Yo! Yo, this shit launched crazy.
It does. It has a hard ass launch.
Yo, bro, shit feel like you wanted to willy.
Yes. That's what, because it's a rear engine car.
Bro, I need a Porsche. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Cool though, right?
Hell yeah, nigga. I need one of these
Whip,
shits.
right?
I need one of these shits, nigga. Nigga, this shit is
I got my
crazy.
camera too, but at nighttime, I'm not with it. Those nighttime videos,
You can't see,
like,
right?
nah, but you're doing it through that. I'm using the glasses.
Oh yeah, I seen the glasses. That shit is tough.
I'm gonna show them shits to you. Them shits is fire. I
Mm-hmm.
don't really be wanting to put them niggas on because them niggas be copying and not giving support.
Yeah, don't put them on to that
Or
wave.
they forget, my nigga. This shit is crazy to me. Niggas that ass copy you and they tell you,
And act
they
like-
ask you, yo, put me on. You put them on, and then they forget. They act like they created the wave.
Yeah, bro.
Alright, man, bro. Like, alright, hold that. Eat up.
Yo, this shit is sturdy.
Not bad though.
I fuck with this car,
Now we
OD.
just gotta get racist. And then regular drive mode is dope because you can hear the sounds, all those turbo sounds. That you
Oh
wanna
my
hear.
God.
So it keeps you feeling energized. You feel me, bro? Like keeps you feeling like you in the game.
Nah, I fuck with this shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
And then the handling though, Dre, is
Nah, nigga, this a-
respectful.
I ain't gonna lie, nigga. That handling is different.
Different, bro. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. It's like, I don't knock on wood, bro. Like, they that shit, I see why they fucking.
They take
shits be
Porsches.
Hugging, Apexy and everything. Everything.
This shit is crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
That's it, man. But I mean, bro, this shit fucking dope ass daily, cousin.
Nigga, this
I
shit
mean,
is fast, nigga.
expensive daily, but
This
like,
is more than a daily. This is a supercar.
it's a funny thing, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, bro.
That's why I'm saying argue with niggas, bro. Fuck am I gonna argue with niggas online, Dre?
Nah.
Like, why am I gonna argue with niggas, bro? Like, oh man. Being humble's get to God, man.
That's a fact.
Being humble's get to God, man. At the end of the day, we know how it is to not have nothing.
Nah, that's a
We
fact.
know that, both of us do, so.
Coming from nothing
Coming
to
from
something,
nothing to
man. Let's
something.
get it.
Yeah.
But bow.
And it feels 10 times better. Bow, nigga. Once you get it from nothing, it feels 10 times better. I don't
Oh
wanna hear
God.
it. I don't want to hear it. But then listen, if you got family support Good for you, lucky for you. You feel me?
But we got it for nothing.
You know what I'm saying? I wish I had that, but since unfortunately we did it, but fortunately we did, nigga.
Yeah.
You don't know.
Still found a way.
Still found a way.
No
Cracks in
cap.
the crevices. Eating the crumbs, making it the bread, yeah.
Yo.
What is wrong with y'all, man?
I ain't gonna lie, bro. This car is
Don't count this out,
nice.
man. Nah, Dre, don't hype them up. They're not gonna want to race, bro.
Nah, that's a fact, man. Y'all need to lock in, man. Let's go.
What the fuck is wrong with y'all, man? Lock the fuck in, man. Stop playing. I fucked around with oh, when you get off this shit.
Yo, this shit is tough.
Everything is outside.
It's
Dirty, right?
dirty, man.
Calm.
Night, you heard? I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. What y'all think about this rear end?
I ain't gonna lie, it's the best part. It's the best part.
I'm gonna be honest with you. It looks good, bro. It looks hella sturdy.
Definitely the best part. Once I drop the shit, is over.
Oh man. I really wish I could tell them. Like honestly, bro, Jake, can you give them a little bit of what's gonna be in store with this car? I know you're gonna be grudge racing, and I know you won't be racing and shit like that. But like, put the peoples on, man. They want to know, like.
There's a lot that's gonna be happening.
I know that. But, like, all right.
Turbo trans.
Right. But is there routes people usually go, like single, twins, whatever? What do they do with these cars? Like,
They be going hybrids on these new cars, but we ain't going hybrid.
you're not going hybrid.
Nah.
So that's all else we can tell you. Right?
Yeah.
We're not going hybrid in this
No hybrid, bro. We going big boy. I gotta keep up with Mr. Aim right here. Mr. Aim right there.
Stop it.
The people ain't gonna see the clip.
Yeah, that red TTRS did Mr. Aim dirty that day, man.
Mr. Aim is back with more sauce. Mr. Aim is back with more sauce. Mr. Aim is back with more sauce.
There's a sign about it. I like the quarter panel small. The car look. I like this. It's small, but it's not.
Too small.
I can't explain it. Like, look, like I'm big, right? Yeah, as you guys know, I'm 6 foot. Like, Dre's smaller than me.
And you can set the seat right now. You Gucci.
Dre's smaller than me. I can legit. Look, this is Dre's setting. And I still fit.
Yeah, my setting and you fit.
And I fit. The car's got decent space, bro.
There's a lot of space in there.
Explain to you that. It's a nice car, right? And he has the new dash, not like the M340. He has like that G80 kind of.
Hell yeah.
The 3 dash. I like the wheels, man. You did it right.
I'm trying to tell you.
See these cars start cooking.
Trust me, bro. I'm trying to be outside right now. Transmission almost broken in, and then we sturdy. Oh, let me show you something.
Oh, you put the.
I got some new sauce.
All right. Let's see what's going on, man. All right, guys. Point of view, 6'3". Switch it up. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. There we go. Yeah, man, we started linking up. We started shooting content for y'all, man. Fuck this shit. Me and Dre realized, man, people just hate us. And we just gonna do our thing. It really is. It's misty out here, though, cuz. Oh, nah. Hold on. Go ahead. Hold on. This bitch is ready to leap. Oh, look at him laughing. The evil ass laugh. Yo, Dre, quick question, right? Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah. On to see the 911 launch. Yo, that shit is sick, man. Feel me? But that's the end of the vlog. Catch y'all next time. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.